I'm Steve Anderson. I'm president and CEO of Forney Industries. 1932 is when we got started. He was quite an entrepreneur. He went on and did lots of things like the invention of the welder, the building of the welder, into all sorts of different kind of things that were important at the time as far as the farming industry and all of the things that they were doing. I think that the thing that we had the most fun with was flying. He would always just give me the controls and just say, okay, Steve, you're flying. And it always meant a lot to me, you know, that I could spend that time with him. We're the type of company that is now fourth generation. I'm third generation. I have a son that will be fourth generation that's working in the company today. I think it's important for the community of Fort Collins and for the welding community to have another outlet, to have another person, another company that they can rely on. And I think that's what Forney's is trying to do now. We're a nationwide company, and we call on many, many accounts. We have what I call feet in the street. And those feet in the street are Forney employees. When we say all business is local, that means that we have a local feel, that they have a person that they can always count on that is nearby, that's within driving distance of every account in the United States. Being that family company, that company that will go out and listen and pay attention to what our customers are trying to tell us, it makes us a better company. And we put all of those questions to work, and we put it in our machines. And I think we create a better machine, a better company because of it. Forney was and has always been in the manufacturing world. We have welders that were built literally in the 40s and 50s that are still in existence today. People still use them every day. That's my goal for the company, is to see how we can become more of a manufacturer that produces very high-end quality products. We did much of that in the 40s and the 50s and the 60s, and want to continue that. I'm an out-of-the-box type thinker, and I really challenge all of my people to be that type of thinker, to go outside of their comfort zone and do things that are a little bit different or a little bit better. I think the best way to really put this is these machines were built by welders for welders. And so I think that's the biggest thing that we have going for us. We have really listened to what people have told us, what we need to be able to create. And the engineering team that we have here today has done just that. For more information on the next generation of Forney products, please check out our website.